There is a particular kind of a table that belongs in a garden. It is not the polished dining table of a formal patio, nor the flimsy folding table you bring out for a barbecue and collapse back into the garage. It is something in between, sturdy enough to hold a pot of coffee and a bowl of strawberries, rough enough that you don't worry about waterings or scratches, present enough to gather around, to set down a book, to rest your feet after an afternoon of planting. This is the table that a garden deserves, and there is perhaps no better material for building it than the humble, overlooked, abundantly available wooden pallet. A pallet garden table begins its life as something else entirely. A pallet is a tool of commerce, designed to move boxes and bags and barrels from warehouses to trucks to stores. It carries the weight, absorbs shocks, endures weather. It is built to be strong, not beautiful, and that strength, that durability, is exactly what a garden table needs. A garden table lives outside. It faces sun and rain, heat and cold, the occasional splash of mud or spill of lemonade. It needs to be tough. A pallet, with its dense, load-bearing construction, is tough by design. But toughness is not the only quality that matters. A garden table also needs character. It needs to feel like it belongs among the flowers and the vegetables, the stone pots and the climbing vines. It should not look like a piece of indoor furniture that wandered outside and got lost. It should look like it grew there, or at least like it has always been there, weathering alongside the garden itself. Pallet wood with its great patina, its nail holes, its stamps and markings, its rough texture, has character in abundance. It looks like it has lived. It looks like it has stories to tell. Think about the difference between a brand new cedar table, fresh from the workshop, and a table built from reclaimed pallets. The cedar table is beautiful, certainly. Its wood is warm, its grain is clean, its edges are crisp. But it is also, in a sense, innocent. It has not yet been tested. The pallet table is different. Its wood has already been tested. It has carried loads, traveled miles, been stacked and unstacked and stacked again. The grey on its surface is not a stain. It is a record of exposure. The nail holes are not damage. They are archaeology. The pallet table arrives in your garden already weathered, already wise, already part of the landscape. The construction of a pallet garden table is a study in working with what you have. Pallets come in standard sizes, but each one is slightly different. Some are made of oak, hard and heavy. Some are made of fine, softer and lighter. Some are made of exotic hardwoods, depending on where they originated. The boards vary in width, its thickness, and in condition. You do not choose your materials from a lumberyard catalog. You find them, salvage them, and adapt your design to what they offer. This constraints is not a limitation. It is an invitation to creativity. The table that emerges is not a copy of a plan. It is a response to the specific wood you found. The form of a pallet garden table can take many shapes, each suited to a different garden, a different use, a different way of being outside. A low table built from a single pallet cut in half and stacked becomes a coffee table for a seating area, a place to set drinks while you watch the sunset. A taller table built from 2 or 3 pallets stacked and secured becomes a dining table for outdoor meals. Its rough surface a beautiful contrast to the colors of the wood. A narrow table built from a single pallet stood on its edge becomes a console against a fence, a place for potted herbs or row of lanterns. Folding table with legs that collapse can be stored in the shed and brought out when needed. Each of these forms starts with the same material, but each becomes something different. The legs of a pallet garden table deserve special attention. Pallets themselves can provide the legs if you cut them strategically and reinforce the joints. You can use separate lumber, perhaps from another pallet, to create sturdier supports. I'm curious to know about your garden or your outdoor space if you have one. Do you have a table out there already? What do you use it for? And if you could build a table from pallets, what would it look like? Where would it go? And what would it hold? Let me know in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating!